Hi there, this is Minilock and welcome to the 63rd episode of Minilock Monday. Now, what I have here is a little cabinet lock with an extremely small Yale style keyway, and it's a Häfele, and it opens in the anti-clockwise, come on focus, it opens in the anti-clockwise direction. It has some pretty nasty bitting, high lift at the back, max lift at the front, and we will have to tension it against that curve at the top of the lock there. So yeah, that makes it a little bit tricky. I've removed the cam and all the gubbins from the back of the lock. I'll stick it in the vise and just double check that it's still, yeah, works smoothly. So I'm actually going to tension it, not sort of middle of the keyway, we'll call it. And right, so I'm going to use the SS Dev deep hook, as battered and well used as this one is. I'm going to try and hold on. I'm going to try and tighten up that a little bit more. So that is a bit awkward. It's going to want to slip out of there, but let's give it a go. Okay, so click on 2, can we get pin 1? I can't get around that curve to get pin 1, so I'm going to use a shallower hook just to try and pick pin 1. Ah, bugger, I had it as well, damn it. Let's try that again. So there we go. Picked. So that's the Häfele little cam lock with that really nasty, very small keyway. So I had to tension it from there, and it really doesn't want to stay in there very well. So yeah, there's a tricky little, you know, no security pins, but a tricky little pick for a cabinet lock. Definitely helped by that bitting. So yeah, thanks for watching everybody, have a good one, cheers.